In this tutorial, we'll learn how to make a simple buzzer alert system using Arduino. A buzzer is an electronic component that produces sound. It works by converting electrical signals into vibrations. Those vibrations create sound waves we can hear. There are two main types of buzzers. Active buzzer makes sound when you just give it power. Passive buzzer needs a frequency signal from Arduino to produce sound. An active buzzer has a built-in oscillator, so it makes sound as soon as you give it a high signal from Arduino. Let's connect it. The signal pin of buzzer connects to digital pin 8 on Arduino. VCC pins connects to 5V on Arduino. And the GND to GND. Now let's understand the code. In setup, we use pin mode buzzer output to set the pin as output. In loop, digital right buzzer high turns the buzzer on, and digital right buzzer low turns it off. A 1-second delay between them creates a simple beep pattern. Let's now upload this code. After uploading, you'll hear a clear beep every second. That's your first Arduino alert system in action.